theory of plate tectonics is that the outer ridge of the Earth's crust consists of plates that move across the Earth's surface and have been throughout the Earth's history. The theory explains how and why mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes exist. The theory came about because of the belief that millions of years ago the Earth wasn't what it is now, and was one major continent called Pangaea. Evidence that Pangaea existed is in fossil distribution, patterns in rock strata, and that if you cut out the continents like a jigsaw puzzle, well, they would all fit together. Pangaea began to split apart around 200 million years ago. Oceans filled the areas between these new subcontinents. The land masses continued to move apart, riding on separate plates until they reached the positions they currently occupy. These continents are still on the move today. Exactly what drives the plate tectonics is not known, but scientists believe that convection within the Earth's mantle pushes the plates. Plate tectonic activity takes place at three types of boundaries: divergent boundaries, where plates spread apart and new crust is formed; convergent boundaries, where plates collide and crust is consumed; and transform boundaries, where two plates slide against each other. An earthquake is what happens when two plates suddenly slip past one another. The surface where they slip is called the fault. Since the edges of the plate are roughed, they get stuck while the rest of the plate keeps moving. Finally, when the plate has moved far enough, the edges unstick. This sudden release of energy causes the seismic waves that make the ground shake. One of the main countries that receive earthquakes is New Zealand. New Zealand lies on the fault line between the Australian plate and Pacific plate. New Zealand has about 20,000 earthquakes per year, but only 200 can be felt. In 2011, it received the biggest yet, a 6.3 magnitude earthquake that destroyed the city of Christchurch and surrounding areas. Cities like Christchurch are evidence that the theory of plate tectonics exists, but like Agnes Nin said, the possession of knowledge does not kill the sense of wonder and mystery. There is always more mystery. We may discover and guess, but we will never know exactly what makes the world tick.